Hey everyone! Today we're unpacking one of the internet's hidden heroes, DNS, or the domain name system. Ever typed in a website like google.com and wondered how your browser knows where to go? DNS is the magical system behind that, quietly making sure you end up in the right place every single time. So what exactly is DNS? Think of it as the internet's phone book. You remember names like google.com or youtube.com, but your computer needs a precise address, called an IP address, to find and connect to that website. DNS handles that translation in real time. Here's what actually happens behind the scenes. The moment you press enter, your computer reaches out to a DNS resolver, usually run by your internet provider. It asks, "Hey, what's the IP address for google.com?" If the resolver already knows, it answers immediately. If not, the hunt begins. The resolver starts by asking a root server, which is like saying, "Where can I find the .com section?" The root server replies with directions to a top-level domain server that handles .com domains. Next, it asks that server, "Where's google.com?" and gets pointed to the final piece of the puzzle, the authoritative name server. That authoritative server is the real deal. It holds the official answer and gives back the exact IP address for google.com. The resolver sends that info to your computer, your browser connects, and boom, the site loads. All of this takes just milliseconds, but it's a finely coordinated dance. Now here's the cool part. Your computer doesn't ask every time. It remembers the answer for a while, a process called caching. This makes future visits much faster and reduces load on DNS servers. Think of it as saving your friend's number so you don't have to ask for it again. But why does DNS matter in cybersecurity? Well, attackers love to hijack or spoof DNS responses to mislead users into visiting fake websites. That's why securing DNS with things like DNS-SET and encrypted queries is critical. It ensures you're talking to the real deal, not a trap set by cybercriminals. To wrap it up, DNS is the internet's silent guide, routing billions of users safely and instantly every day. It's fast, efficient, and vital. So next time a page loads in a flash, you'll know there's a smart system making it all possible. Keep learning, keep hacking smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.